Welcome to the session. My name is Sharon Lowe, and I lead the Americas marketing. Today, we have the pleasure of talking to Alex Perazza, who is one of our experts in cloud services. Well, Alex, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thanks for having me, Sharon. So I'm Alexandre Perazza, or Alex Perazza, and I lead the development of services and solutions for cloud as part of our Microsoft go-to-market team at Beyondsoft. Throughout my career, I saw the transformative power of cloud technology and how it has continually reshaped the business's landscape, right? And today, cloud services are not just about storage or basic computing anymore as it was in the past. It's about harnessing the potential of the cloud to really drive business growth, innovation, and resilience in the end for the companies. And our mission, and myself and my team, our mission at Beyondsoft is to really help our customers keep up with these rapid changes and give them the tools, insights, and expertise to better leverage the cloud's vast capabilities.
What are some of the challenges that your customers face when they want to think about cloud services?
I can say that the most pressing challenge our customers face today is really balancing cost optimization while ensuring robust governance, security, and data privacy. So while the cloud presents opportunities for scalable infrastructure and growth, many businesses still struggle with efficiently managing those costs when presented with a really large array of cloud services. There are too many options to consider, and it can be really overwhelming for companies, making it difficult to keep up with innovations, for example. And these businesses, they face challenges mainly in selecting, implementing, and maximizing the right cloud solutions for their unique needs. And on top of that, you can consider that a lack of in-house expertise and capabilities makes it even harder for those companies, right? Secondly, I can say that I see that managing multiple cloud services from different providers can be really challenging. This may pose integration, governance, data privacy, and also security issues. It requires heavy work to uphold strict security and privacy measures. And when our customers decide to integrate AI into their operations, which is very common, we need to work with them to design the right framework to minimize work disruption while enable them to really take advantage of the latest cloud and AI capabilities. Lastly, helping our customers in their internal teams to align on keeping the critical cloud services securely up and running is very important to us and to our customers, and helping them to reduce the number of underutilized services. It can cause a lot of cost consumption and expenses that are not expected. We do this to ensure that they are using the agreed cloud services to optimize costs and efficiency in the end.
How would you work with your customers then to resolve this issue? What are the few steps your customers need to consider or take?
I like to say that we need to take it as a journey, and every customer's journey is different from one another. I always joke that there is no copy and paste solution that works everywhere. But as we work with our customers, we know that navigating the cloud landscape can be very challenging for businesses. And it usually leads to drawbacks such as poor performance, high expenses, security risks, and operational inefficiencies, right? So to overcome this, it's required a collaborative and systematic approach from both our customers and us. And we are very committed to making it work. So at the beginning of this journey, the first step is to engage in in-depth conversation with our customers. And with that, we seek to understand their unique needs, what are the concerns, what is the culture in place, the number of stakeholders involved in decision-making process, for example, and ultimately the business objectives. From there, we tailor a customized cloud adoption strategy, and it helps them to address their business challenges and goals, right? Secondly, We need to recognize that each organization's cloud journey is unique, and with that, we offer guidance on best fit cloud services driven by insights collected at the initial strategy phase. So this not ensures only cost efficiency, but most importantly, strategic alignment. So our expertise extends beyond just implementation, and by focusing on governance and security also, we create a foundation of trust for our customers, ensuring that all cloud services are optimized and secure in the end. Lastly, it's important to mention that central to this approach is our Cloud Center of Excellence that has been created to help to drive overall strategy around cloud adoption and support our customers in the adoption of new cloud technologies. This team, as part of Beyondsoft team, is dedicated to creating, establishing best practices, frameworks, and governance for evolving cloud technology operations. And it has become a central force through which we from Beyondsoft, we can deliver innovation and continuously evolve how it manages its customers across our services and practices in the end.
Wow, that's a lot to take in. What are some of the key trends that you see in cloud services?
Today, we see a lot of hype across several topics. All it comes to cloud, we have very state-of-the-art SaaS solutions, we have state-of-the-art AI solutions. But in the end, I can see that everything is empowered by a strong cloud foundation. And from my perspective, there are three major trends in cloud services today. First, we have the situation where cloud services are changing really fast, mainly because of emerging technologies like generative AI, such as GPT, robust data solutions, 5G networks, and edge computing. With AI and data analytics, the cloud is evolving beyond simple infrastructure and becoming more like powerhouse for real-time analysis and intelligent automation. And these capabilities, they are very welcome for businesses to become more agile and also to leverage data-driven insights like never before. Secondly, I can mention the advent of 5G networks. These 5G networks, they promises us fast and stable connections like never before, and they amplifies the cloud's potential for real-time operations. This improved connectivity, they set the stage for an even more interconnected and instantaneous cloud ecosystem. Complementing this speed is edge computing, where we decentralize data processing, bringing it closer to its source. So when both technologies are combined, they enable rapid and on-the-fly data handling. They set new opportunities in sectors that really demand instant data processing, such as Internet of Things and autonomous vehicles, for example. And finally, I would say that as cloud services evolve, they are becoming more and more than just storage or infrastructure solutions, as I mentioned in the beginning. They're really turning into intelligent systems where AI, generative models, and data analytics all they converge, driving innovation and really offering unique advantages to businesses.
Can you give us 3 key takeaways for our customers?
Yes, as companies navigate the digital landscape, cloud services will emerge even more as a beacon of potential. So they will offer distinct advantages for every business in any sector. But among these, I would like to highlight, firstly, the most obvious one is cost optimization. Today is a hot topic. Every CEO, CIO, they are looking for ways to embrace new cloud services, but still keeping costs under control. So embracing cloud services allows businesses to scale infrastructure according to their needs, and this flexible model reduces overhead costs and also ensures that the companies only pay for the services that they use. Secondly, we work with our customers to tap into AI. So with the power of the cloud, businesses can leverage AI capabilities without substantial upfront investments in infrastructure or even data and machine learning models. They are all ready to use. So this enables fast innovation, it offers a competitive edge, and it paves the way for new businesses avenues. Lastly, governance and security is also top of mind right now. So when leveraging cloud solutions in businesses, they can benefit from state-of-the-art security measures that these cloud providers, they implement natively as part of their services. And sometimes companies can even match these security products or even features that the cloud providers have. It's ready to use, that's my point. So this ensures data privacy and adherence to compliance standards, which is very important for any company today.
Well, thank you, Alex, for your time and your insights. That's all that we have today. We'll see you soon in the next session.